Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will walk you through the process of signing up for Stan, an Australian streaming platform that offers a wide range of movies, TV shows, and documentaries. Whether you're looking to watch the latest blockbusters or discover hidden gems, Stan has something for everyone. Let's get started with the sign-up process. Visit the Stan website first, open your preferred web browser, and go to the official Stan website, stan.com.au. Once the page loads, you'll be presented with various options to sign up. Click on Start Free Trial or Subscribe Now. Look for the Start Free Trial button on the homepage. Stan offers a free trial period for new users, so clicking on this button will allow you to explore their content before committing. If you're already familiar with the service and want to proceed with a subscription, click the Subscribe Now button. Create an account. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password for your Stan account. Make sure you use a valid email address that you have access to, as this will be important for account verification and recovery. Select a subscription plan. Stan offers different subscription plans, including a standard, premium, and basic plan. Choose the one that best fits your needs. The standard plan provides HD streaming on 2 devices, the premium plan offers Ultra HD streaming on 4 devices, and the basic plan is ideal for those who just want standard definition streaming on 1 device. Enter your payment information. After selecting your subscription plan, you will be asked to provide your payment details. Stan accepts credit, debit cards, and PayPal. Enter the information as prompted to complete the process. Remember, if you are starting with a free trial, you won't be charged until the trial period ends. Verify your email. Stan will send a confirmation email to the address you provided earlier. Go to your inbox and click the verification link to confirm your account. This step ensures that your registration is complete and secure. Start watching movies. Once you've successfully signed up and logged in, you can start browsing through Stan's vast library of movies, TV shows, and documentaries. You can filter by genres, latest releases, or popular picks. Simply click on any title to start watching. Don't forget to explore Stan's exclusive originals and enjoy content on your preferred device, whether it's a laptop, smartphone, smart TV, or tablet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.